Okay, don't forget to subscribe and like. Good morning, Shane here in Bueng Kan, Thailand. Today we're heading on another road trip. We're going to go to Udon, Thani, Loy, Nong Khai and back to Bueng Kan. Let's go. Take a look at this. Alright, as normal, we stopped off at Pompisai for a coffee and get some food. Some of this Japanese food. Okay, let's go. Alright, we're on the ring road in Nong Khai. Let's see if there's any changes. Okay, just met these two Thai men. They're really friendly. Okay, thank you.
Okay.
Take it easy.
Thank you. Number one.
Meeting those two men was like the video I seen Joel put it out. Smiles. The Thai people just love to smile. Really good, makes you happy. Anyway, let's go Udon Thani. There's some big ducks. I don't think they'd fit in the bath. Alright, we're back at the UD Capital Hotel. Okay, let's go to UD Town and have some lunch. This place, UD Town, is a really nice place to go for a walk and have a look and have something to eat or a drink. Morning, Shane and Udon Thani. We'll have this coffee and we'll go have breakfast. Thank you. Let's go to the airport. I've got a friend coming from the UK today, Keith. Let's go get him. Udon Thani Airport. They're starting to do some renovations here. It's looking good. How you going, buddy? All right.
Good to see you again.
Good to see you, Keefe.
Yeah, it's good to be here. Well, I've had some
Keith's
bloody
here
rain.
from UK.
Hey there. We're on camera here.
Tony Carp.
Ready, Carp?
Luca.
How are you?
Where are you from?
England.
You okay now?
I'm cool.
All right. Thank you.
We're done.
Thank you.
Okay. Got some more subscribers. Let's go.
Let's go.
Thank you.
Feel like I keep with a new toy with that thing. Here we go. Ooh.
Here we go. That's called close parking to the wall. Take a look at that. Video.
โอ๊ยแต่เราก็คิดว่าถ่ายให้นานแล้วนี่
Good morning. Keith's just down there, breakfast somewhere about there. Let's have a look. Morning, Copper.
Hello, mate.
How are you?
I'm good.
Holy crikey, look at that breakfast.
You alright?
Jeez, that looks good.
You got to say?
All right, let's go to Bueng Kan.
Bueng
Change the plans.
Bueng Kan, here we come.
Yeah. Lloyd's gonna have to wait. It's gonna have to wait.
Still be there.
It'll still be there. Okay, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and like. Thank you.